Hi, for this tutorial we're going to take a look at how to work with tags for our posts. I'm going to go into my dashboard for my WordPress page and I'm going to click on Posts. And as you can see right here, we have tags that are in our posts, meaning that if someone's looking up any of these tags, kind of using it as a keyword in Google or the other search engines to find something, then our post is going to come up with these tags or keywords. So as you can see, I've got some that have no tags at all, and then I've got the one up here that does have some tags in it. So let's go ahead and click on Add New, and we're going to add a post. I'm just going to put something quick in here. And we're going to scroll down. You'll see we have formats, then categories, then tags. And here it's going to ask us to put in the tags we'd like to use for this post. So I'm going to put tags, WordPress, find, search engine. Or you can click on choose from the most used tags. And these are the tags that you've used most in your WordPress posts. So we have first, pictures, post, tutorials, and WordPress. So we can go ahead and click on any of these, and it will go ahead and add that automatically. And I'm going to click on Add. And now we've got all of our tags come up underneath, and if you want to delete any of them, just click on the gray X next to the word. I'm going to go up and I'm going to click on Publish. Once it updates, we're going to go back out into our posts, and here are our tags. Now let's take a look up here under Posts and go into Tags. This will allow you to add a new tag that you can then choose later on when you're posting. You can put in a slug, which is a URL-friendly version of the name. It has lowercase letters, numbers, and hyphens. You can put in a description. And not all themes are going to show your description, but some of them will. You can also choose if you want to edit, quick edit, or delete any of the tags you already have. And as usual, like with most of the things in WordPress, you can also click on a few separate choices and then do a bulk action, such as delete. You can also do a search on your tags. So let's go ahead and do a search on WordPress, which we know is in two separate posts. I'm going to click on Search Tags, and there it is. And we can actually go to the two posts that have WordPress as part of the tags. So say that you have a certain topic that you've posted on and you want to pull up all of the posts that you have regarding that particular topic. Simply put it into the search box, click search, and they'll all come up here for you. So it's an easy way to go in and classify what your posts are about, basically. So I hope that this tutorial has helped you out. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you at the next one.